All right, so yeah, you have a rare opportunity to see something special. So even so, a lot of these tunnels were actually produced in the '80s. At the time, there's going to be an event here later on today called the Radiotron, and the man who started that really opened up public spaces for hip hop and graffiti art, breakdancing, and rapping to evolve and flourish out of this neighborhood. So Radiotron was one of them. And these tunnels, we came in here around those times to do our public service announcement. So all these murals had to do with some kind of aspiration or warning. So, for example, the most famous one of all, you know, and I've often regarded this piece almost like the Siqueiros piece, the Vida Alfaro Siqueiros mural in O'Hare Street. Tropical America, a very important work of art that changed the game back then. So this one called Born to Die.
Follow me, yeah.
Yeah. So this one is by our leader. His name is Janos Ferrati. He's half Mexican, half Hungarian, which just so happens. Just so happens there's a monument here to the Hungarian resistance right here, across from the Mexican consulate. So everybody knows this man as Skill One. He's legendary, you know, and he formed our group. So he's the one that organized this particular project in the '80s. It's called Born to Die, and it shows mother feeding her baby crack as soon as it was born. And so obviously it's very shocking at first, no mother's gonna do that, but in many ways they were at the time. So there was a lot of people that were addicted at that time. And you know, if you have a child, you know, your child's gonna be addicted too as soon as they were born, you know, and so it was very, very shocking, but very necessary. Mine had to do with heroin abuse. Other people did theirs on dreams. Somebody did theirs on poverty. It's a little hard to go back in time with some of these things because it's kind of been destroyed over the years and stuff. And so recently, in the last couple of years, we've been coming back with Radiotron, I guess, in the background as an excuse to come back and restore these murals. I just found out one of our fellow graffiti artists also works at Parks and Rec. He came by here. That's the name. We told the park that you guys are doing restorative and conservation work. So here we are again doing this. If you want to follow any of our work, it's UTI Crew under Instagram, under the Influence Crew, UTI Crew. My name is nuke.one for the website, and follow us and see what we've been up to. You know, this is this is a truly special occasion. We have a new member that hasn't painted in the tunnel, so it's a generational thing here. You know, we're going almost 35 years strong. We started in 1985, so that says a lot.